Hello student, today we are going to learn class 11 physics NCERT example problem 9th chapter 3rd problem we are going to discuss. Okay, actually these are the performer, they are holding with the one person holding all the performers. Okay, they asked how much bone will get compressed. Okay, the compression of the bone they asked. Okay, most of the data is given, the mass of all the performance also is given, and the individual performance also is given. Okay, if you want the compression of the bone Young's modulus, you can take it from this tabular column. Okay, that's going to be 9 into 10 power plus 9. Okay, now we'll see how to solve this problem. Okay, first thing, it's class 11 physics NCERT example problem. It is a third problem from 9th chapter. It's a mechanical properties of solid. If you want more video example and exercise means, you can go and see in my playlist. Okay, mass is given. Okay, mass of the total performance is given. Okay, the person is holding with the two legs. Okay, it is a below person, he is a 60 kg, he is holding with everybody. This is a total performer. It is the person is holding with all the performers. Okay, that means if you want how much he is holding on his two legs means, so this minus this. Okay, only this is sitting with the back side like this. Okay, he is holding with the two legs. Okay, that means the resultant mass is going to be 220 kg. Just I am subtracting because he is standing down. Okay, he is standing like this, he is holding all the performers. Okay, so modulus of elasticity of the bone this much. Okay, from the tabular column I am taken 9.4 into 10 power plus 9. Okay, now the length of the bone is given. Okay, radius of the effective radius of the single leg is 2 centimeter. Okay, if you want to convert centimeter to meter, 10 power minus 2 you can include. Okay, 10 power minus 2 just I included. Changing length only is a question mark. Okay, changing length is question mark. Modulus of elasticity, stress by strain. If you are taken strain this side, modulus of elasticity will come here. dl by L is force per unit area by modulus of elasticity. This will become denominator, this will come here L. Okay, because actually they asked changing length. Okay, if you want to find changing length, you need force, length, modulus of elasticity, area. These are the 4 terms it's required. Okay, actually length and modulus of elasticity is given in the question. Okay, this value and this value given in the question. Force we don't know, area we don't know. First we will find area. Area is going to be pi r square. Pi is 3.14, r is going to be 2 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Okay, 2 time you can write the same value, minus 2 minus 4 will be there. Okay, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3.14, 4 into 3.14 will get 12.56. Okay, direct multiplication only. 12.56 into 10 power minus 4 meter. Area, final effective area will get. Okay, area of one leg only we found. Okay, actually 2 leg means into 2 you should do. I am going to calculate for one leg only. Okay, force is how much? The resultant mass is 220, gravity is 9.8. Okay, if you want you can take it 10 also. This 2 multiplication, slowly you can do the multiplication with both the number. Okay, so you will get 220 into 9.8. What we can get now? 220 into 9.8, if you are multiplying like this, will get finally 2156 will get. So total force on the two leg, the total performers is holding with the two legs. Okay, so that two legs is holding 2156. Actually we are going to calculate with the single leg. Okay, so divided by 2, 1778. Okay, this much force only is holding one leg. Okay, in case 2 leg you are using, this force you should use. Okay, now force I got this much, area I got this much, bone Young's modulus I got this much, length I got this much. Okay, next changing length only we are going to find. Force we know, length we know, area we know, Young's modulus we know. Just I substituted everything. Okay, force this much, length is this much, Young's modulus this much, area is this much. Okay, now I'll get changing length. Changing length will be, unit will be meter. Okay, 10 power minus 4 plus 9. The answer will be plus 5 denominator. Okay, 10 power separately you can do. Instead of writing 0.5 you can write off. Okay, 0.5 you can write as off. Off times of 1780, if you are cancelling, I will get 539. Okay, 2 tables. Okay, then I will get like this. Okay, then 2 tables again I am cancelling this and this, so we'll get as a 6.28 here, 269.5 numerator. Okay, already I told you denominator 10 power plus 6 plus 5 will be there. That if you are taken numerator, minus 5 will become. Okay, separately I solved 10 power. Okay, then this 2 multiplication. Okay, then numerator will be this. Okay, Now that 2 multiplication I will get 59.22 approximately 59.22. Numerator is 260 approximately. Okay, if you are cancelling this, 250 divided by 50, how many times? 5 times. Okay, it is close to that value, approximately 5. Okay, close to 5, 4.55. Okay, if you are doing proper division with this two number, you can get directly this value. Okay, into 10 power minus 5 will be there. Now this much will get compressed. Okay, changing length by original length. So changing length this much, original length 0.5. Instead of writing 0.5, you can write as a half. Denominator directly will go into the numerator. So 2 times of this. Okay, 2 times of this we will get approximately 9.1. Okay, 9.1 into 10 power minus 5. So minus 5 means 5 decimal I should move this side. So this is the actual length of compression of the bone when we are comparing with the initial length. Okay, this value into 100 will give the percentage of the compression. Okay, if you are multiplying this two, you will get like this. Actually it's going to be very less value, it's going to be less than 0.1%. okay, very smaller value will get compression of the bone. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.